Thanks, Xander, for the meow. Anyway, we got Allan's 2012 Escape over there. It kicked the belt. Kicked the belt because it sheared some bolts off the compressor, which is weird. So, Allan sent me a video because he checked all the pulleys while it was at his house while he was waiting for the tow truck. And he said, this one idler is looking a little funky. Well, I got it pulled, and you can see the grease streaks in the dirt. That bearing is on its way out. We call that getting lucky.
Hi, bro.
Hey.
What are you doing down there?
I'm pulling the last remaining bolt.
Can I see that from up here?
Yeah. Out of the compressor. Now, there's only 3 bolts for this. The bracket on the block has 4 holes, 4 provisions, but that 4th provision is used on the Fusion when it's in there, this engine, the same motor. There's no clearance with the way the hoses are for 4th bolt. But let me get this last bolt out, then I can drop the compressor down, and I can see how effed we are with the sheared bolts and where they're sheared and what's exactly the situation here.
So are you putting in a new compressor or?
No, the compressor's fine. Everything's fine.
It's just the pulley.
The hardware came out, but yeah, the idler was on its way to shit in the bed. So Allan got lucky with that part. I mean, you didn't get lucky with these bolts aside. You just say sayonara. But it was close to 30,000 miles ago when we installed this. It was exactly 1 year. So it's definitely not from being over tightened. Could be from vibration, like maybe a misfire or something, or something else trying to seize on the accessory system. But the water pump feels good. Everything else feels good. Allan checked everything else too. So I'm just gonna get this last bolt out and kind of figure out what exactly our situation is here. Hopefully we can just throw some bolts in it and the new belt shows up and that idler and away we go. But I want to make sure this one's out first.
Hey, your stomach's up.
Yeah, it's cute.
Oh,
So,
wow.
this is the bolt that was in the car in the top. So there's 1 top hole and 2 lowers. These are the 2 that were in the lowers. Look how hammered that is.
Sheared about the same length.
They broke off damn near flush with the block, it looks like. And that one is bent from when the others failed. Fun.
That looks like, actually, no.
Peyronie's disease?
Minor Peyronie's disease.
Just minor. So, we need to figure out the cause of that. Because everything was torqued properly. You looking at the cloud?
Yeah.
Is it getting sketchy? It's about to get wet. So I got to figure out how to get this broken stuff out of here. That's going to be